Are there tax incentives for installing home charging stations? In recent news, many homeowners are curious about whether there are tax incentives for installing home electric vehicle charging stations. With electric vehicle sales on the rise, this topic is more relevant than ever. If you are considering purchasing an electric vehicle and want to install a charging station at home, you might be wondering how to save some money in the process. Yes, there are tax incentives available for installing home electric vehicle charging stations, but the specifics can vary by location and over time. In the United States, federal and some state governments have offered tax credits or rebates to encourage electric vehicle adoption. This includes incentives for home charger installation. At the federal level, there has been a tax credit that covers a portion of the cost of purchasing and installing a home electric vehicle charging station. This credit typically covers up to 30% of the cost, including equipment and installation, with a maximum limit of $1,000 or $1,500 depending on the year and legislation. However, these incentives can change as new bills are passed or existing programs phase out. Some states and local utilities also provide additional incentives, such as rebates or tax credits, to reduce the upfront cost of home chargers. These programs aim to increase electric vehicle accessibility and support the growth of clean transportation. It is important to check current federal, state, and local programs because incentives can expire, be reduced, or have eligibility requirements. For instance, some programs focus on low-income households to improve access to electric vehicles. While recent legislative discussions have focused on electric vehicle tax credits for vehicles themselves, incentives for home charging infrastructure remains part of broader efforts to support electric vehicle adoption. Automakers are promoting electric vehicles eligible for vehicle tax credits, sometimes bundling home chargers with vehicle purchases. This can indirectly affect the cost of home charging installation. Tax incentives for home electric vehicle charging stations do exist but vary widely. Homeowners interested in installing a charger should research current federal and state programs to maximize savings and support electric vehicle use at home.